Hello, this is Scott, and welcome to your Sunset Ford virtual video walk around. You clicked on a good one. This is the 2018 the Ford Fiesta. Stock number is 7369. Now let's take a virtual video walk around of this very economical vehicle. You're going to see the exterior and the interior. Very comfortable ride. You're looking at a first-time buyer, daily commuter. This vehicle is going to fit all your wants and needs, I guarantee you. And we're going to make a way around and we're going to show you the interior. Don't forget, this vehicle qualifies for warranty protection for life and oil changes for life. I just got my oil changed yesterday, and I'll tell you what, having the benefit of oil changes for life really does help out as far as finance. Keeping my budget within check, I should say. For more information on this Fiesta or any others in our inventory, call, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down and find out what everybody's talking about. It's the Sunset Experience. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day. Take care.